All right, folks, what we have here is a Ford Focus SE with a 2.0. This is a 2013 model, but most of them are all the same. They'll be similar. We are going to check the air filter if it needs to be changed. It's got 40,000 miles on it. It's most likely the original air filter because it looks like everything else is original. Okay, looks like all the leaves and everything is still on this car. Okay, so let's take a look. Basically, there's 4 screws. All right, they are 8mm screws. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and 4, all the way in the back. Then this cover is going to lift up. Okay, it's going to be a little tougher lifting it up if it hasn't been moved before. Okay, just going to let you know it's going to be a little tight. So let's take this one out first. The screws come all the way up, but they will not come out. Okay, they got a little shoulder on them, so it stops them coming all the way out. So here's 2, 3 in the back, or number 3 in the back. Don't want to get you all mixed up with that. And this is number 4 right here. After a while, you pretty much know how far it turns to know that it's loose. That's why I didn't try to reach in there with my fingers. All right, so now we're gonna lift it up and take a little finger here, grab this little, because this filter is round. Grab this right here, give it a nice lift. Okay, it's on there pretty tight. All right, lift it up, out of the way. There is the filter. Okay, it's a round filter. It sits in a little bit of a slot, and then it pushes into the, looks like the mass airflow sensor over here. I'll show you that little slot. Here is that little slot. Okay, the filter is going to sit right there inside this little slot on the bottom, and it's going to match up to the one on top. So you're going to have to match it up before it goes down to line up all the 4 screws. All right, so this was just going to basically just lift it up and slide it out. As you can tell by the dirt and the dust, this is definitely needs to be changed. So I'm going to lift it up, I'm going to slide it out, and it'll come right out just like that. Okay, by looking inside, you can see there's a little dust in there, a little sand. Of course, you already see this over here. All right, so you want to see if the filter is dirty, just spread them open. Okay, you're going to see all the dirt that's in between in the pleated slots sitting right in there. Okay, you can turn it around and you're going to see it. All right, so yeah, this one I recommend changing because I don't remember the last time it was changed. There's another little dirt mark. Usually when you see the dirt marks, that's pretty much where the majority of the dirt is. All right, so once you get your new filter in, I'm going to tell the customer on this one, right? Once you get the new filter in, I'm going to go reverse. We are going to squeeze it in there, stick this one into that piece there, make sure it's in nice and tight. And then this filter, you're just going to squeeze it a little bit to get into that little slot, okay? Because just pushing like this does not mean that it's in there. So you're going to push it in like that. All right, so I'm going to fall right there in the slot. Okay, and the same thing over here. Okay, like I said, it's going to fall right there in this little slot. If you don't have it in that slot, it's not going to line up. So same thing here. I'm going to line up the slot first. Once you line up the slot first, then everything pretty much falls into its place. Okay, if you try to just put it straight on there and then try to get the filter on, it's not going to work. All right, so that's it. Look, everything's lined up perfectly. You go and you put your little 4 screws back in. Me, I do it on the cross pattern like this. That way it goes down nice and evenly. All right, I'm gonna put it together. I'm going to take it apart later. The customer says it's okay to change the filter. Okay. So that's what you do. You got to go through all this lever just to check to see if it needs a filter. All right. That's it. Good as gold. Done. Ford Focus 2.0. Thanks for watching.